Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the error message that says your device isn't compatible with this version on Android. So first, make sure your phone is running the latest software. Head into your settings, scroll down, tap on About Phone, and look for any available updates. If you see one, go ahead, install it, and restart your device. Alright, once your phone is updated, the next thing is to refresh the Play Store itself. Press and hold the Play Store app icon, then tap App Info. From there, force stop the app. Confirm with OK, then tap Storage and Cache and clear both the cache and the data. If that didn't fix it, you can take it one step further. In the same app info screen, clear all data. Just remember, this will reset the Play Store and sign you out, so you'll need to log back into your Google account after doing this. And if none of these steps work, then yeah, it usually means your device just doesn't meet the hardware requirements for that app. In that case, the only real solution is upgrading to a newer phone that supports it. So yeah, that's how you can fix the device not compatible issue on Android. If this helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.